In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung laptop screen is flickering and you can't seem to fix it. So the first thing you need to do is reset the graphics driver. So for that, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together once. So this will basically cause your screen to flash one more time and then reset the graphics driver. However, if this doesn't work, what you can do is right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to display settings. Now here you need to scroll down and then click on advanced display. Now here go to this refresh rate option and then use this drop down menu to increase or decrease the refresh rate. Additionally, if you are using dynamic refresh rate, try to turn it off and see if that helps. However, if this doesn't work, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. Now in the device manager window, expand display adapters. Now here right click on the graphics driver and then choose uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you are done this, simply go ahead and restart your Samsung laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to shut down your Samsung laptop completely. Once it is off, unplug everything from it, including the charger and all the other USB devices. After that, simply press and hold the power button on your Samsung laptop for 15 to 20 seconds. Once you have done that, turn on your Samsung laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.